Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. So I purchased a cat shelf for the cats. This is the box it came in, and look how cute this is. So I'm sure they're gonna have a blast with this box, and they're gonna love the shelf that my husband's gonna put up. Here it is. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna go inside in their cat room, and then we'll take it out of the box and we'll install it. All right, guys, so there's Kumba on the cat tree clawing on the post. And Zara already checking the box out. You having fun over there, Kumba? What's in here, huh? What's in here, guys? So here's the shelf. They're gonna love this. Kumba's checking it out. I knew you guys would love the box. I swear, this is so cute. I love the sand in the box. All cats love boxes, no matter how big or small. Are you guys excited, huh? You're gonna have your own little cat shelf here soon. And my husband's already labeled everything where the studs are to make sure we're properly putting the shelf up so it'll be nice and secure for these babies. What do you think, Kumba? All right, we're gonna get everything out of the box, guys, and then you can play in it, okay? Oh, or chew it up. Taj just woke up from his cat nap and he's checking everything out now. Everything looks different in here, huh? It's like, why is everything moved around? Zara, checking your new shelf out. Taj, come here. There's a box over here. You want to check it out? I know how much you love boxes too. Come over here, guys. Come over here, look at this big palm box. What do you think? Knew you would get in it. What do you think, huh? And if you guys didn't see the saying, it says a cat shelf and a cardboard box. Who's a lucky kitty? Look at him. You stretching? It's long enough for you to stretch in it, huh? Oh, you got styrofoam on your tail. What do you think? Wait till you see your shelf that Daddy's gonna put up on the wall. All three of them are checking out the shelf. So it's pretty big. You'll be able to fit all three of them in there, which is awesome. And it's going to go right up here so they can look out the window. What do you think, guys? It's going to be nice, huh? It has a detachable carpet, so that's nice. So we can interchange it if we need to in the future. But it's very nice and sturdy and very well made. You like it? You like it so far? So we put the shelf up, and Zara was the first one to check it out. She loves it. What are you doing, Zara? You got your toy up there, huh? You got your toy? Hi. You love your new shelf? Kumba. Kumba. I don't think Kumba noticed it yet. What are you doing? Oh, all of them are up there. Now you gotta get up there. Look. Come here, Taj. Look, over here. Right here. Look. Tell your brother to move over so you can jump up too. There he goes. Go ahead. You can get up there now too. Go ahead. Go get up there. Get up there. Can you move that out of the way? Do you guys like it, huh? Your brother's blocking it from you to jump up. Oh, he's gonna try to get around Kumba. Go ahead, Taj, you can do it. Uh-oh. Kumba, you gotta give your brother room to jump up. He wants to get up there too. There he goes. What do you guys think, huh? They all love it. There's a view from back here, and Zara's gonna jump down. Goodness, girl. The boys are loving it. This is what it looks like from a distance. And this is a scratching, like a scratch and post thing for them too. Oh, you're gonna climb on top of your brother? Alright, so they're really enjoying this. What do you think, Kumba? What do you think? Do you like it, Taj? Do you like it? Do you like your new shelf, huh? Do you like it? Huh, boys? Yeah? Alright, I think they really like it. Huh, Kumba? What do you think, Zara? You like it too? The boys are just going back and forth. They're all excited. Get off your brother's tail. Oh, you're trying to bite him. Zara, you clawing back there? You gonna get back up here with your brothers? They're having fun. You guys love it, huh? You love your new shelf? You look at all the birds and the wildlife while you're sitting up there on your shelf. Why are you trying to jump down, huh? Your brother's overcrowding it, huh? You gonna jump in the ball pit? You know you can jump over there, Missy.